What else? Right, first of all, Darling Sellers said you can get 15% off the wine today. Want to buy it? Good Oomka said it's all free. For the plant.
Sandham taste cheese. Long as it golden Guernsey comes. You only use golden Guernsey.
Johan's going to do a bit of a talk on the old orphanage because teaching him is still quite new at it. I've been there 8 years, Johan's been there 2 years already.
Jesus! Look how great he is. Yes.
We still have some lucky draw tickets available if anyone wants to purchase, and our old orphanage goodies. And yeah, I want you to enjoy yourselves. The cheese tasting will start at 4, so Johan's only going to say a few words, and then we can go for what you want to buy. Wine, with cheese, up to you. Thank you again to everyone.
And we're hoping Jacques will be able to join us, but he was busy receiving some injured birds from the SPCA. So hopefully he'll join us.
One more thing, the nursery will open if anyone does want to buy anything else. Janae is here and she said she will. Was there anything? Ablution facilities, the wooden goodie there, lovely and rustic, under the trees.
Under the tree.
It's actually very nice inside. Yes, it might look rustic from the outside, but it's very nice inside. There's all the mod cons, shower,
Of a rustic home.
cold running water,
No
full makeup kits.
hair dryer.
David. David does cheese and wine tasting at home as well.
No more.
No more.
Here it is.
Oh, you're only doing it here. Okay.
We can't do it at home anymore because
The
making
crowds.
cheese. It disrupts and we make mistakes. And we've already got 20 pieces in our range. I can't put any, I just give them a different name for making cheese.
Please show them that what a goodie. Where's the jug? I found it so interesting.
We're getting there. Do you want us to start now and just give it a talk?
Well,
yeah,
then
yeah,
can I have a
Taste
quick
it,
chat?
yes.
Give you a chance first.
Julle, die atmosfeer hier is baie gemoedelik.
I'll tell you about that later.
Johan,
Maybe
are you going to speak English or Afrikaans?
verstaan allemaal Afrikaans.
David says no. How many don't understand?
That's all right. Do it. I
Okay, al gooi mengels. As jy nie verstaan nie, steek net die hand op en iemand help net translate. Alright, so weet almal wie is die Old Orphanage? Okay.
Jy kan maar verduidelik want ons het so 11 kykers hier wat kyk. So ons weet nie of hulle weet nie.
The Old Orphanage is a registered NPO and TVO. Ons is a wildlife rehabilitation center, mainly focused on birds of prey and blue crane. So there's your eagles, falcons, hawks, buzzards, kites, owls. Jy kan sê wat gesê nie. Male. So ons rescue, rehabilitate and release injured, orphaned and compromised birds of prey. So dis 'n bietjie opgesom wat ons doen. Ons maar reg oor tot daar waar ons nommer gaan het ons maar invloed. Meestal op die Oeverberg, Weskus tot in Kaap, die Boland, Bo-Kaap of wat? Boland. Ons het maar oral so 'n bietjie daar 'n invloed en help waar ons kan. Ons werk closely met local vets reg deur waar ons nommer ook heen gaan. So dit is basies wen wat ons doen. Dan ook wil ek vra as julle of julle ken iemand, dalk jou skoonma, jou skoonbroer, jou boetie, jou oom, jou neighbor, dalk sal belangstel om te donate, sponsorships, hulle dalk 'n besigheid of wat ook al. So asseblief vry om met enigiemand van ons in kontak te kom. Sou dit waardeer, ons is ook besig met 'n golfdag vir fundraising. So as julle iemand ken, sorry ek wil nou nie asem vat en haal en so nie vat. Dis nog op baie rustig gelyk. Die eerste keer het ek so erg gebeur voor die skool. Dis ek wel as ek hier uithardloop en ek huil, moet my nie agtervolg nie. Los my nie. Dis julle wat my bang maak. So ja, ons is besig met 'n golfdag te beplan. Weereens op hierdie QR code. As jy hom wil scan, kan jy hom scan. Heel bo aan het ons 3 vorms, participation vorm, vir as jy wil gaan golf speel. As jy 'n gaatjie wil koop, you want to buy a hole. As jy Afrikaans you want to buy a hole. And then the third one is if you want to sponsor, like also again if you know someone that's willing to contribute a voucher for nails and massage, anything like that is welcome. So feel free to pass down the information. Every bit makes a difference. I think that is wat ek moet sê.
Baie goed.
Well done. Nou ja, daar het julle dit. Ons sal die datum en die plek van die golfdag met julle deel. En dan nader aan die tyd sal ons bietjie meer daaroor gesels. So ek sal weer bietjie later inskakel.